Hi guys, welcome to Man United Gang, United's #1 fan channel. Now, it is a huge blow for Manchester United, especially in that backline. We know that Victor Lindelof out injured, Rafael Varane out injured, and therefore in this video I want to talk about Varane's injury update. Remember, he got injured on Tuesday while Manchester United was playing Atalanta, and since then Manchester United did not confirm the seriousness of that injury, but reports came out saying that after Rafael Varane underwent some few scans, it was confirmed that he will be out of Manchester United squad for a month. So that is what I want to talk about in this video. But before I do that, as usual, don't forget to support the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, like, comment, and share the video. And most of all, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because that is the only way you will know if a new content is out. But for now, let us get started. So, we know that Manchester United looks very shaky when Rafael Varane is absent in the squad, and therefore this is a huge blow that Rafael Varane is going to miss to play for Manchester United in a couple of games that are coming. Rafael Varane being out for a month means that he's going to miss the next coming fixtures, and that is the Manchester Derby, which is coming on Saturday. Then after the international break, he'll still be out. That means he will miss the game against Watford, Villarreal, Chelsea, and even Arsenal. And that is a huge blow to Manchester United, to Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, and even Manchester United fans at large. And therefore there is a concern, because we know that if Rafael Varane is missing in that backline, there is always a problem of keeping clean sheets. If you can remember, Rafael Varane, after the last international break, he did not feature in any of Manchester United's game, apart from last weekend. That was the weekend when Manchester United was playing Tottenham Hotspur. And therefore, to me, I think this is a major concern, because right now, even Victor Lindelof is not fit, he's injured. And therefore, that means we have only Eric Bailly who can come in and do a great job, of which he did over the midweek, which was very, very good to see Eric Bailly throwing himself in a couple of challenges, throwing himself in front of certain shots, various shots from players of Atalanta, and which was very positive of him. And therefore, I'm very sure in this coming Manchester Derby, then Eric Bailly has to start, because to me, I think he was a man of the match contender in that Atalanta game when Manchester United drew. That was on Tuesday. So Eric Bailly was superb. But what happens if Eric Bailly gets injured? Because we know that Victor Lindelof not fit, Rafael Varane out for a month. It has just been confirmed. And therefore, the games that are coming are very huge. And therefore, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer must get it right in order to get results. But I'm very happy with Eric Bailly, because he has that pace to cope with any fast opposition striker. You saw how he did okay on Tuesday against Atalanta. He had that recovery pace, and that is very good and complements Harry Maguire very, very well. But for Harry Maguire, right now he's out of form, he looks shaky, and therefore we don't know what will happen. But I'm hoping that Harry Maguire will step up during the derby and show what he can do. Show that he is a Manchester United captain. But of course, we will see when that time comes. But for now, it is confirmed that Rafael Varane will be out for a month. And therefore, that means we'll have to rely on Eric Bailly, which is not bad. I'm okay with that. And I'm hoping that Eric Bailly will not get injured as well. So, with Victor Lindelof and Rafael Varane out, it means that Ole Gunnar Solskjaer will have to change his tactics. Remember, against Spurs, he went with a 3-4-1-2. And therefore, now Rafael Varane and Victor Lindelof are injured, who they started in that game. And of course, again, if you look at during the midweek, he again went with the same backline, 3 at the back. But this time round, Victor Lindelof was missing due to injury, and Eric Bailly came in. And when Rafael Varane got injured, he decided to go back to a back 4, which these days we are not comfortable with because of the manner in which Manchester United are conceding. But of course, with Eric Bailly and the absence of Rafael Varane and Victor Lindelof, I think Ole Gunnar Solskjaer has to change things. I don't know if he will bring in Alex Telles to be a left wing back and then Luke Shaw to be a left-sided centre back, then Harry Maguire and Eric Bailly. So I think that is how he will go at the back against Manchester City. But of course, we will see what he will do. But for now, we know that Manchester United has received a major blow. Rafael Varane out, Victor Lindelof out, and therefore we are only remaining with one centre-back who is trusted, and that is Eric Bailly. So I'm hoping that Eric Bailly will do fine and even make Ole Gunnar Solskjaer think twice about him. But for me, I'm very impressed with the way he played on Tuesday, and I'm hoping that he will continue that way. So guys, that is all that I wanted you to know, that it has been confirmed Rafael Varane is out for a month, and that he's going to miss a couple of games that are coming for Manchester United. He's not even going to go for the international break, which is very positive and will give him time to recover. But of course, we know it is a major blow now that we know that when Rafael Varane was away last time after getting injured in that international break, Manchester United conceded 11 goals in 3 games, and that was against Leicester 4 goals, against I think it was Atlanta 2 goals, and against Liverpool 5 goals. So you see that Rafael Varane is a very important figure in that Manchester United's backline, and I'm hoping that he will recover and come back and continue to do what he's doing for Manchester United. Remember when he came against Spurs, Manchester United were able to keep a clean sheet, which was very positive. So, of course, Rafael Varane is very important for Manchester United, and I don't know how things are going to be at the back. But I'm hoping that the defenders that are available, Eric Bailly, will step up to the challenge and do a good work for Manchester United. So that's all guys for today, and I want to thank you for watching. Please, as usual, don't forget to support the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, like, comment, and share the video. And most of all, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because that is the only way you will know if a new content is out. But for now, bye bye, and I'll speak to you later.